Wait, when someone asks, how are you? Do you always say, I'm fine? It's correct. But it sounds like old style English from a textbook. In real everyday English, people don't use it much. It can sound a bit awkward. Here are two very natural and simple answers you can use. I'm good. Thanks. Or I'm doing well. Don't these sound more fluent and natural? It does, right? For friends, you can use even more casual replies like not bad or simply great. See? Much more natural. Wait, are you making this common English mistake? Many people say things like, did you finish the work or no? Is it working or no? Is the movie good or no? In natural and correct English, we don't need to add or no at the end. It is unnecessary because the question already expects a yes or no answer. Just ask the question normally. Did you finish the work? Is it working? Is the movie good? Or if you wish to be extra polite or friendly, just use a tag question like, you finished the work, didn't you? It's working, isn't it? The movie is good, right? Hey awesome learners! Have you ever said something in English and then thought, wait, was that the correct tense? Don't worry. In this video, you will finally understand the difference between simple present and present continuous with super easy examples. Simple present is used for things that are regular, daily, or generally true. Think of it like your routine or habit. I brush my teeth every morning. She goes to school. Birds fly. These are not happening right now, but they are true in general. Present continuous is used for things happening right now or around this moment. Examples: I am brushing my teeth. She is going to school. The birds are flying. The action is life. It's happening at this time. Now look at these pairs. You will understand instantly. I eat breakfast at 8. I'm eating breakfast now. He plays cricket. He is playing cricket right now. They study at night. They are studying in their room. See the difference? It's not that hard. Bonus tip. If you are not sure which tense to use, just ask yourself one question. Is it a habit or is it happening right now? Your answer will choose the tense for you.